What if one decision could completely transform the future of your business? What if you could save hours every week, grow faster, serve more clients, and build a business that works even when you aren't? The world is changing. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is here, and it is transforming how businesses operate right now. Entrepreneurs who adopt AI today will have a decisive competitive advantage over those who wait. The question is no longer whether AI will reshape your industry. The question is whether you will lead that change or be left behind by it. Introducing the Scale with AI Business Summit. 3 days of delivering hands-on AI training. 3 days of live hands-on AI training, completely free to attend.
What if AI could become the most valuable member of your team? Meet Petion, host of the AI Business Summit.
Turn ideas into AI solutions. An AI builder and automation expert. Build practical AI solutions. Automate your operations. Join Gene at the AI Business Summit.
What if you could build smarter systems and let AI handle the tasks? Meet Pfeil, an expert and smarter. Brian will demonstrate how to automate complex workflow. Meet Deepti Bahel. She empowers businesses with AI. Learn practical strategies for implementation. Join her at the summit.
This is your invitation. The future of your business starts on June 25th.
At the Scale with AI Business Summit, you will discover AI tools that actually work, the exact tools top entrepreneurs use to automate repetitive tasks and reclaim their time. You will learn how to scale without hiring, save 10 or more hours per week, turn AI into revenue, and walk away with a personalized AI implementation roadmap.
The future belongs to the entrepreneurs who act now. This is your invitation.